This is a video to help practice with Rock On My Soul on page 15. In this piece, we have a lot of eighth notes. We also have an eighth note tied to a quarter note. I'm going to set my metronome a little bit slower tempo. I have it at 58 as a quarter note. When we count it and subdivide these eighth notes, it will go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so to begin, let's count one bar of 4 beats and then start. I'm going to place my bow, the middle part of the bow on the string because we have a lot of eighth notes that doesn't require long bows, they're short. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and